remember as a teacher, the first time I heard about Crohn's disease was similar to you, George, with a pupil, and he vanished. He just vanished, and he was in my class. And 5 or 6 months later,
were you teaching at Alba?
No, I wasn't actually. No, I would have remembered him. I'm good with pupils. I'm rubbish with adults, but I'm good with pupils. And he just vanished, and people were asking where he was, and it came back. And through the senior management team, pupil support, I won't name his name, but he's been diagnosed with Crohn's disease. My first question was, "What's that? Yeah. What is that?"
Yeah.
And I'm a science teacher. I'm a faculty head. I've got a duty of care to all the young people.
Of course.
How do I prepare for this boy coming back into my class to support his needs? And, where's the pamphlet? Where's the guidebook? And we didn't have that. And I worked in a brilliant school, at the time. But it was just lack of knowledge, lack of awareness. Yeah. It's really nice to hear that you guys got such a supportive experience.